Hi, I'm CJ. I'm a practicing chartered accountant and I've been associated with Deepastamba Charitable Trust since last 9 years. There are so many things which I can talk about this city, but I would like to focus on a few really important, unique features of our trust. The first thing is it is a forum which is available for everyone. You can bring the ideas which will be directly benefiting the society, and if your idea is good, it is powerful and feasible to execute. Then definitely Deepastamba and its team will make sure that your idea is converted into a big project. And there are so many examples of such happening in our organization. Uh, and the other really important thing is it will treat you as a family member. You'll just not be able to stay away from Deepastamba for a while once you're a part of it. Actually, this doesn't happen in all the organizations because our organization is full of enthusiastic members, young people, and who are willing to work for the society's betterment. And once you're part of it, you'll experience it. So these are really two very good things about Deepastamba. Coming to the current situation, which is we all are experiencing the lockdown and slowdown in the economy. We are not sitting back. Basically, we have been constantly working. Our organization is conducting the activities which are like knowledge sharing sessions online. It has a very good social media presence. We are conducting so many different activities on different forums like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Everywhere we are, doing some or the other social awareness activity. We also conducted a blood donation camp, which was a very good success. 40 odd people donated blood there, and we took good, care of all the people who are visiting the facility. So Deepastamba is not only doing these social media activities, but it is investing a lot of time on planning the future development of the organization as well as the society. So this you will be able to look into the big corporates where you have different departments headed by different people, and everyone is working towards the benefit of the organization as well as the ideas are coming up, execution of those ideas, everything. So this is like a big corporate. I'll just tell you the example that I'm looking after the taxation finance because I'm from that background. But when I look at the posts which are coming on the DCT group, I'm astonished because the things are going on in the villages. They are happening everywhere on the every front. So it is really big thing which is happening with Deepastamba. With this pace, of course, after 5 years, I see our organization crossing the international borders. Already, we are working in Pune and Nashik and Kolhapur, but in years to come, we'll definitely extend our scope. There are few members of Deepastamba who have been abroad for a while now because of employment or studies, and they are willing to do things there. So we look forward to it that by 2025 we have a global presence. In the end, I would like to tell you that to experience the joy which we feel, you have to be the part of Deepastamba. You can't be out of Deepastamba and feel the excitement which I am right now able to express. But once you come there, you take my word, you will be the better version of yourself. I think come and join. Let's work together. Social work will not be tedious anymore. Thank you.